Those water guns you've been dreaming of? I nearly got shot for these. Surprise.
Okay. First, I'm gonna destroy you. And then we'll talk.
You're about to get drenched.
Let's see what you got, Firefly Girl.
Don't get too comfortable now. Ellie, come on.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
you feel
gonna
that?
pay for that.
Damn it!
Oh, what? Oh, God damn. Oh, you're gonna pay for that.
Yes, there it is!
Oh, what?
Destroyed you. I told you.
It was pretty close.
What?
Yeah.
You are delusional.
Okay, all right. You count to 5, I'll go hide, and we'll hunt each other. Whoever gets hit first, loses.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You ready?
Oh, damn.
All right, that's game.
All right, best 2 out of 3. Let's go again.
All right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time to die.
Bullshit.
Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot, what did I just do? Did you see those skills?
Okay.
Someone should revoke that dog tag.
Wow. Now you're just mean. That's it. We're going again.
Riley, I would love to do this all day.
But you gotta go back.
I gotta go back.
Okay. Fine. Can I at least walk you home?
I guess.
Come on, let me get my backpack.
Hey, so... I said it like an asshole, but I totally meant it. You should go. I mean, this is something that you've wanted for, you know, forever, so who am I to stop you?
The one person that can.
No, please don't go. I'll be so miserable without you. I'll be fine. And you'll be fine. And we'll see each other again.
You should keep these. Not gonna do me any good.